Gotta be the one to put us on, cause I ain't waiting for nobody else to make it. Breaking through the game and I don't want the fame, but if the money comes of being famous, I'ma have to take it. Please don't tell me when you're in my face, and I won't have complaints. I never been complacent when it's shit for grace, and I don't do no third or fucking second places. Oh God, tell me what's happening. You ain't liking the fact that I'm back again, and I'm godly as fuck. I should live in the Vatican. No other rapper is matching. There's a lot of talking, lot of checks from a lot of bond, a lot of nexus in your conversation. When you bring my name up, there's a lot of flex, and I don't do no changing. I ain't never changing. I'm the only one. Take you out with just a single shot. I guess that you could call that shit a hole in one. If you got the money, better show me some. You need my name up on a dotted line, and you don't know me, son. Don't ever hold me, son, cause I got shit to do. If you ain't talking business and this shit is through, I gotta go because I work a lot. Earn my spot to get a certain drop on how these rappers move. You never heard a lot of real rap. I felt like I should merge the pop, but I ain't getting no buzz back. The fuck's that? 6 points for the run back. You want smoke, but you know that you don't want that. Don't give a single fuck about the way your gun claps. I'm on go on roasting it 10 toes down. On flow selling them shows out. Get dough when the pen goes down. Bend those routes and extend those droughts. Set fire to the booth of something, cause the truth is nothing to the dudes who frontin'. Let's Star Wars to the tunes and bust the coup. Crush the nose of the newly coming rain leaders. The race speaker, replace speakers. I make either. Make way for the main teachers to pay features and break meters. Of all sorts, no way can the game leave us. Nah, on track for the number one, the most skill. No fun for the mother ones. Got no chill, no deals that is under 100% in my favor. Better not become an enemy. Sending me every single chance to break and we'll break through. I'ma think with hands and make news and make moves. I'ma take a chance to stay advanced away. Can it stay the hands I'm in the best shape? No way you can stop me. The best rapper in the States, you can top me. Get his money, hit on lace from the cocky. Feeling no one in this age ever got me. Too complex, it's due to stress again. Use your chest, I'm proving threats to stand. Lose your best, you choose to set it cans. Me or any views, I can't pretend that you will never ever wanna ban. Truth to me, cause I would wanna end. Any chance to get the upper hand. Run up on me now and never run again. I ain't trying to
your love.